Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and we again have some new openings recently. So let me just go through all those one by one, and then for whichever ones you feel like you're eligible and want to apply, then go ahead and apply as soon as possible. Also, if you're new here to this channel, so make sure you subscribe to always stay updated with all such updates and openings, and also for content related to software engineering and tech and coding. So in case you want to see more of such videos, then make sure you hit the subscribe button for all timely updates. So let's move on to the openings one by one. All right, so the first one that we have right now is from Dell, and this is an off-campus recruitment drive going on. This is being hired through Freshers World. So the role is for a remote system engineer, and the eligible branches will be BE, BTech, any engineering bachelor's branch, or even MCA for computer science, electrical, and IT fields. Graduating in 2021 batch, so only the final year students right now, and you should have around 60% in your qualifications. Then there are some responsibilities mentioned. You can just go through these before applying, and then some skills that you will be requiring for the job, which is basically communication, presentation, articulation skills, then technical acumen, software networking. And so after that, they have also mentioned some job requirements. You can go through these ones as well. Then they mentioned that the role will require working in American East Coast shift timings, which is 6 p.m. to 3 a.m. in the Indian Standard Time. And your work location will be at Bangalore, and the hiring process will involve a virtual interview round. And yeah, that's pretty much it. They've also mentioned how many applications they've received till now, and you can hit this button to apply and make sure you apply as soon as possible. Moving on to the next one. All right, so the next opening right now is from Amazon, and this is actually a hiring challenge that is currently going on, an SD hiring challenge. It starts on the 19th and will be live till 21st midnight. So make sure you do give this challenge. The duration will be 3 hours. And then for this one, the required experience is from 0 to 3 years. So freshers can also apply. But then they have mentioned that the eligibility criteria is for 6 months to 3 years experience candidates. So you should have at least some internship experience before applying. And then you should be willing to relocate to Bangalore or Delhi. The role is for an SDE, not only SDE1, because people with 3 years of experience can also apply. So SDE2 probably will also be taken in. And then the challenge format is there'll be two programming coding questions, a lot of which I've solved on my channel already. So you can refer to the playlist for any help. And in this 3 hours, you need to solve as many as you can out of these two. Then they've mentioned something about the position. Basically, qualifications will be experience in Java, C++, C Sharp, then a bachelor's degree in computer science or any equivalent IT, then 6 months, at least 6 months of any experience, internship experience or full-time experience. After that, you should be aware of or excited to learn about technologies like JavaScript, Ajax, HTML, CSS, web development skills, and jQuery, Java, all those. And you should be aware of like data structures, algorithms, design patterns, and some written and verbal communication skills. So that's pretty much it. Preferred qualifications are a bachelor's degree in computer science or related discipline, and that's, I guess, all that's required. After that, you can go through these links for some guidelines related to the test, how the test is going to be, how the user interface of Hacker Earth is. You must have given some tests on Hacker Earth, so it's going to be pretty much the same. And these are also some FAQs about the challenge. So this challenge is live only for 3 days, and it will take you 3 hours to complete. So make sure you do give this challenge. There will be two questions, and try to solve as many as you can. Okay, so the next one that we have right now is from Red Hat, and this is again a technical support engineer internship role, which has recently been opened, and the job location is at Bangalore. So this is the job summary. You can go through this. Basically, this involves remote exam intern to proctor the exams in Bangalore, and as part of this, you will coordinate with the backend team, support team, so that the candidates get the best experience. Something like that is what's going to be required. And then these are some responsibilities that they've mentioned, and these are the skill sets, so you can definitely go through this. Full-time bachelor's degree in computer science or computer application related discipline, then flexible to work outside normal business hours, strong verbal communication skills in English, then ability to handle multiple priorities, definitely good experience with Windows, Linux, Mac OS operating systems and terminal commands, and then knowledge and awareness of internet connection nuances, wireless connections, VPN, all that. then hardware ports, network adapters, displays, webcams. So all that information is going to be helpful for this role. And since this is Red Hat, so any open source contribution that you've done is going to play a major role for your candidature. So definitely consider applying to this. Hit this button to apply and moving on to the next one. All right, so the next opening that we have is from Intel, and this is for a graduate intern role. The job location will be at Bangalore. It's an internship, not a full-time role. And then as part of the job description, they've mentioned that the responsibilities can be quite diverse as part of the technical nature of the job. And then for the qualifications, you should have a bachelor's or master's degree, a technical engineering degree, or you can be pursuing your master's degree as well. That's also fine because this is an internship. And they have mentioned something about the business group that you'll be working for. And yeah, that's pretty much it. They've not mentioned a lot about the technical skills required. So you can just hit this button to apply, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so the last one that we have for now is from Goldman Sachs, and this is a different one. This is not for a software engineer role. This is for a summer analyst internship. So it's an internship role for students who are currently pursuing their degrees. As part of the eligibility criteria, you can go through this. The role is for candidates currently pursuing a college or university degree, and it's usually taken during the second penultimate year of study. So basically, third year students can apply to this. The program will be for 8 to 10 weeks, which is like 2-3 months. Job location will be Bangalore. And in the overview, you can read something about the job. So basically, this is a summer analyst internship. So this is going to be 8 to 10 weeks internship for undergrad students, and you'll be fully immersed in the day-to-day activities and all that. And as part of this, you will require to attend orientation where you will learn about the culture of Goldman Sachs and benefits, responsibilities of being a member. Then there are some division specific training assigned, and then real responsibilities alongside fellow interns and our people. So that's pretty much it about the overview of the job. It's going to be in the summers, so make sure you apply right now. And candidates currently pursuing a degree, only those can apply. So freshers or grad students cannot apply to this one. Hit this button to apply, and that's pretty much it for now. So for all these openings, you can find the links to apply to them in the description box below. So make sure you go through those and apply as soon as possible. And if you like such videos and consider them to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to the channel for all such timely updates. And do share it around with all your friends or contacts in your network who are looking for opportunities right now, as this will definitely help them grab a decent offer. And then you can check out my channel for some more opportunities in this playlist and some interview related material, preparation material in this one. And I keep posting videos regularly about interview preparation and opportunities. So I think this is going to be a helpful resource for you if you're looking for one. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you very soon with all the new latest opportunities in the next video.